Hi guys, we're here at some little falls, but we're actually looking for the big falls.
Falls is up in the mountain. That's the guy said.
Well, if it's a steep hill, we're not going up it because my bike's not running.
That's what he said.
So that's where we are now, guys. So there's another.
Overflow.
There's another. Yeah, looks like the bikes are in the river. So this is it.
The guy said it's too far.
It's too far. So it's up in the hills. So this is it, guys. We're here at a nice waterfall, a little waterfall. So it's quite nice. What's that? Hi.
Salamat.
Salamat. What's he say?
He said don't go there, just two of you because it's dangerous there.
The guys.
Yeah, you never know
the guy's telling us about the waterfalls, and he says don't go there, just the two of you, because it's very dangerous there. So we're here at the bridge. We're in Murcia. So I'll do you a little video. There's a kingfisher up there. I've just seen him fly up. So we found some little falls. But the guy actually with the kids on the back, he's just told us don't go there alone. It's very dangerous. Just the two of you, it's very dangerous. Now that can mean two or three things. The falls are really dangerous, or you never know if there's gangs of boys up there, gangs of men up there. You just don't know. So, I'm not going to go up anyway because my bike's not running. But we're going to go back, we're going to go down into these falls here. So we've been told not to go up into the falls. Up into the big waterfall. Not to go alone. Hello! So not to go alone into the big waterfall. Looks like everybody's actually coming to these falls, guys. So it looks like everybody's coming to these falls. Looks like they're going up into the mountains. Somebody else here, look. This is a new road actually, guys. Now it must lead up into the mountains. But once upon a time, obviously, just a dirt road. Just a dirt road. But they've put a road in it. Now then, that's the XTZ 125. And it's done a few miles now. Let's have a look. So that's it. Still not running. We've got about 800 miles. What's wrong with it? The I-beam. The I-beam's actually, the I-beam's going up into the sky, but there should be a screw under there where that headlight is, and that screw should turn left to right, and that screw should take my I-beam back down onto the road, because as it is, the I-beam's up there like that when it should be down there like that. It's up there like that. So we're going to go down to the falls. So not to go. Don't go up into the mountains if there's only two of you. It's very dangerous. We've been told that by these guys here, by these local guys here. It looks like he's washing his bike in the river. And there's a tricycle in the river too. So don't go up there, just the two of you. Right guys, take care, God bless. I hope you enjoyed my video on the kids at school doing their nice dance competition. How nice is that, look? Wow, absolutely lovely. I saw a kingfisher actually just earlier on. Looks like there's an house. So this is where we are, guys. We're at the falls in Murcia. So we're about halfway. We're not very far off Murcia town. So we're very near Murcia town. and there's some really big falls up in the mountains, but as I've told you earlier on, we've been told by the locals, don't go there. You don't know who's hiding in the forest, and it's not safe for two of you to go there alone. How nice is that? Kingfisher there, look. There's a kingfisher, that's two kingfishers I've seen. So we're going to cross and maybe have a paddle in the falls. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, quite nice across there, look. So it's quite nice. Oh. What, do you want to go back up? Absolutely beautiful. And the river snakes. Absolutely lovely. So do you want to go back up the river? That guy's getting a wash. Hi guys, thumbs up. We're here at the waterfall. I've actually been in. I'll reverse the camera in a moment. So I'll show you where we are. So I'll reverse the camera in a moment, guys. Like I said, the current's fairly strong over there, so I'll reverse the camera in a moment. Wow, let me just get in the shade. Wow, I'm sure I'm going to get sunburnt today. Thumbs up, like the videos, please. So we're here, guys. Here in the Waterfalls. What do you think to that? We're not too far away from Murcia town. I've been across. It's a lot harder to come back the other way, guys. So, get you some footage. It's quite deep. So it's quite deep here, guys. Like I said, it's a lovely day. There's a lot of lovely kingfishers around. I'm having a job seeing it's that bright. But I'll try and get you some of the scenery. Looks like there's a few families here, kids, papas, mamas, and they're enjoying the waterfalls. Because like I said, guys, we're not too far off Murcia. So I've been across there, but I can't risk it with the camera. But let's have a little walk. It's absolutely beautiful. It is, it's absolutely beautiful today. Be careful! So that's what we're going to do. Right, we're going to have a little walk out into the water. But like I said, the current, you can see the way the current's going. Now when you walk into the current, you're quite fine. But when you start to come back, and this phone isn't waterproof, wow. So it's fairly strong. It's a fairly strong current, guys. It's absolutely beautiful here. Absolutely gorgeous. How nice is that, look? Absolutely beautiful. That's the bridge. That's the bridge over the River Kwai. Kawaka Falls. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's nice. Quite nice. Wow, that's absolutely beautiful. Looks like we've got a goldfish. We've got a goldfish somewhere. I can see it splashing around. It looks like we've got a goldfish. How nice is that, look? Beautiful. I think it's called Kawaka Falls, guys. And it's actually a dirt road. But now it's a cobbly road like this one. But now what they've done is they've started to build a new road. But like I said, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So, how nice is that? Wow, it's that bright I can't see a thing. Absolutely beautiful. We'll have a walk up to the other falls. So I think we'll have a little walk up to the other falls. Quite nice. So we'll have a little walk up to the other falls, guys. Absolutely beautiful. It's Sunday today, so it looks like a lot of the tricycle guys are here with the kids. So we'll have a little walk up. We'll have a little walk up river. It actually looks like some of the tricycle guys are actually off. How nice is that, look? Ow! That's a cut. Bamboo. Sorry guys. I've got you. I've just been... That bamboo there, wow. That's your cut. Shit. So that's a cut. Somewhere. That's this bamboo. Sharp. It's not so bad. Not so bad. Quite nice. LX, good way to park it, quite nice. Well, it's a KLR, not a KLX, a KLR, quite nice. what you get with this bamboo. Looks like somebody's fetched the gear. Ah, yeah. Okay, let's back this from quite nice. Right guys, it's beautiful here. I'm just going to see to my leg. Bamboo is very sharp. I always cut. I always get a cut actually when I come down to the river. Look at that bamboo. See that drum? So there's fresh water there. Like I said, I always get a cut when I come down to the river. But that bamboo's really sharp. Right, so we're going to have a paddle and maybe a little bit of a swim. So, I hope you're all fine and I hope you're all taking care. If we're lucky, we might just get you. Looks like dogs looking for food. We might just get you a kingfisher. Right, oh, there's one here, look. Got one here. I don't know what sort of bird's this one. Wow, I don't know what sort this one is.
Goldfish.
A goldfish. A guapa. It's a guapa fish. My God, cover up girl. It's the Queen of the South. Like I said, it's beautiful. Right, I'm going to see you to my leg. Take care, God bless. We're here at the beautiful fall. This is your bamboo. Absolutely. No, it's not deep enough. Right, I'm going to wash my leg. Hey, it's a KLX in the river, number 10. Come on down. Miss Jovelyn, please like, subscribe to her channel. Well guys, it's absolutely beautiful here. My bike's up there on the top of the bridge. Cause I'm running it in. I don't want to bring it down here. I don't like it being up there, but I've got to go slow on the bike till it's running. Right, we're under the bridge. Like I said, there's a lot of kingfishers up under here. Well, not under here. There's something up there. Don't know what it is. There's quite a lot of kingfishers flying around. Absolutely beautiful. That's a little sorry store. That's where I parked the bike there, somewhere there on the bridge. Somewhere here I think, on the bridge near that tree. So let's hope the bike's still there. Not exactly a good idea. What we got here then? Got some nice ducks. Look like Muscovies. I'm not going to disturb them too much. So we've got a few nice ducks. That's a Muscovy, I think that's a Muscovy. That looks like a white mallard. But honestly I don't know, it's just ducks. I would say they're Muscovies, quite nice. Obviously very tame. So, this looks, I could be totally wrong guys, but that looks like an old bridge. So I don't know if it's an old bridge, and that's the footpath up there, and that's the new bridge. Like I said, they're building a new road, so they're actually building a new road here. So let's have a little walk down to the falls. It looks like somebody's off for a swim. So they're off for a swim, off they go. How nice is that, look? They're just having a nice little float down. It's raining. Right. I think we're going to get off in a minute because it's raining. He's looking for food because he knows people come down here and they might leave a little food. So it's raining. Time to move. Right, Jovelin's waving. Take care, God bless guys. Rainy day.